Next, number 6, Java loops 2. So in this problem, we will use the integers a, b, and n to create this series. Okay, so now we have two queries, and we will use the values of a, b, and n to produce the series, and once it hit the value of n, it will print the first 10 terms or the first n terms as a single line of space separated integers. So yeah, so if we input this numbers or integers, so the expected output will be this. Next is the Java output formatting. So this is about formatting output using printf. So first, it will just print this trailing white space after a string. So that would be string, then a 15 white space or after a string, and after that it will print the integer. So this will be the sample output. So there will be two columns in each line. So that is the string and the integer separated by the 15 white space. So I just completed this code by inserting this line of code, and the supposed format that is required above is printed below. So I have already submit the code, and this is the expected output. Yeah, so it's basic output formatting. Next is number 8 is the Java string reverse. So given a string A, it will print yes if it's a palindrome, or no if it's not. So a palindrome is a word phrase, number, or other sequence of characters which reads the same backward or forward. So first, it will read the input, and using a loop, the reverse string will be compared to the original string. And if a string is equivalent to itself when it's reversed, then it will print the palindrome term. Yeah, so we have here an input, or a supposed input, so madam, so it will print yes, because when we try to reverse the madam, so the output will be madam, so it's a palindrome. So next, number 9 is the Java anagrams. So two strings are anagrams if we can form one string by arranging the characters of another string. So here we need to input two strings here at the main function, and then compare the first with their length. First we need to compare their lengths, because it will just shows if they are it's a first step in telling if these strings are anagrams. And then if we need to make them lowercase, because it shouldn't be case sensitive, and then compare the string's characters value, and if they're the same, then they're anagrams. Yeah, so we have here in input anagram and Morgana, so the expected output is anagrams, because if we try to shuffle the terms Morgana, it will be anagram. Next, number 10 is the Java 1D array. So first we scan an integer, And then save it to variable n, and we create an array where it will hold the n integers. Then using a loop, it will save each sequential value to its corresponding location in the array. So the locations would be the a sub 0, a sub 1, and then we just print each array element on a new line from left to right. So here is the expected output if we try to input these terms.